What's up, everybody? It's your boy Rashawn from With Lux by Iron Rye. Today, I'm gonna show you how easy the process it is printing with the Lancelot L1800 printer. So let's dive in. So basically what we're doing right here is we're turning the printer on and we're getting it ready for the printing process. I'm gonna shoot you over to my computer and show you how to get it started. So you open up the color box software and we're gonna upload an image. The drop down menu is gonna show you the type of images you can upload. I chose a PNG file, which typically works the best for me. So I'm gonna take my design, I'm gonna size it to what I like, and I'm gonna actually copy it and duplicate it and show you how easy that is. All you gotta do is hit right click and hit copy, and then you go down and paste it, and there you go. It's that easy. So now I'm gonna press Control P and to get my printer started now that I got everything sized up to my liking. So it's gonna shoot back to the printer, and this is the printer actually beginning the printing process. The next couple of videos you see are just going to be some progressions of how the prints are actually going. So while these prints are actually going, I'm actually going to pop over to my oven and I'm going to get that started. So now that I got my oven started and I got my picture all printed out, now I'm going to cut it out and I'm going to take it over to my curing station. So for the curing process, we're going to put it into a bin. We're going to drop some powder on it. And we're gonna shake it, making sure we get all of the areas on the canvas. Then we're gonna take it over to our oven and we're gonna let it bake. The bake times typically depend on how you like it. I've been doing this for a little bit, so I kind of have my own preferred methods on my baking methods. So after the print is done baking, it is actually ready to be pressed on whatever types of fabric you would like to put it on. I chose a t-shirt. So I'm over here doing my pre-press. For my pre-press, I'm putting my design onto the shirt. And then now I'm getting it ready to actually press the design onto the shirt. Now that I got the design pressed onto the shirt, I let it dry for a little bit. And then I'm gonna peel the design and I'm gonna do a lock-in press after that to make sure the design stays onto the fabric. So now that I'm doing my lock-in press, this is the final product that you get at the end of the design. And this one turned out fabulous. This is how easy it is printing with the Lancelot L1800 printer. Thank you and have a good day.